Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with this Optima Elite 3 portable typewriter. It's got this green case made of an imitation leather, and the typewriter is in great working condition. I'll take you through. The controls are pretty basic, but it does have an interesting tab feature, customizable tab settings. Most of the controls are pretty standard. It has a pretty basic keyboard here. Here's your color selector switch, so you can use it with two-tone ribbon, and the middle is just a stencil setting where the ribbon doesn't engage. If you open this, see it's pretty clean in here. The ribbon is still in good shape. I don't know if it's been replaced or, but it's printing. You can see there's the typing sample. The ribbon reverse is automatic. When you load the ribbon, just make sure it goes through. There's two little guides here, and basically the way it works is when one spool runs out, it'll catch on that. You see? And pull that switch, which will activate the ribbon reverse, and it'll start going in the opposite direction. The way the programmable tab works is, say you have a table where you have multiple columns and you want the columns to always start at the same spot. So let's just get it to a random spot here, and you can program using this, program your columns, and you can do as many of these as you want. And then when you advance to the next line, using this button, it'll move the carriage to the tabs that you already set, and that'll continue that way until you clear the tabs using this button here. If you hold that down, the carriage will just slide all the way across and your tabs will be cleared. Controls on the carriage are also pretty standard. Here's your carriage release. Press that down and carriage will move freely. This switch here disengages the feed rollers so you can remove paper. And this is your spacing. You can do single, 1.5, or double space. And then your margin, these are your left and right margins here. There's also this switch down the side here, which is the carriage lock. You can see there's a little knob right here, and in here there's a corresponding piece with a little hole that fits in that. Basically all you do is line up the carriage as best you can with that. Then when you flip this, that'll come down, and then just kind of move it into place until you can see the little knob went right in there. And that'll just keep the carriage from moving when you put it in the case and you're transporting it around. Getting it in and out of the case can be a little difficult. It doesn't have a mechanical latch mechanism like a lot of these have. It just has these 4 posts that basically line up with the rubber feet on the bottom. There's holes in those, and you really just have to line it up and then press down, and it'll lock into place there. And then taking it out is just the opposite. It takes a little while. You gotta kind of ease it out of there, but it'll come out. Or it's designed, this case, the cover goes back far enough that you can just use it in the case as is. So there you have it. It's the Optima Elite 3 portable typewriter. It is for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks for watching.